So let's talk about insulin resistance. Did you know that the Root Brands already has a patent filed for Formulations and Method for the therapeutic support to eliminate non-insulin diabetic conditions? It's application number 19-214-808. So let's look at this. Formulation and method for non-insulin dependent diabetes. The combination of products used in this patent, which is based on clinical case studies that already show the outcomes. This isn't based on theory. This is based on the actual clinical outcomes and the protocols that led to the creation of the intellectual property. So you have a specific condition that has a patent filed for a specific process and specific outcomes. You can't duplicate this because there's only one way to do it. So what is it that is a mechanism to support healthy insulin production and non-insulin dependent diabetes? Well, it's a combination of Clean Slate, Zero In, Restore, Natural Barrier Support, ReLive Greens, and Immune Defense Shield. So let's just unpack these real quick. I'm actually going to add one addition to that will just blow you away when it comes to outcomes. But the last one actually came after these original patents were filed because we've got an amazing nanobiotechnologist that doesn't stop creating. So Clean Slate, as I've talked about regularly, is going to start cleaning up the system because the heavy metals, mercury, for one, is the cause of insulin resistance in humans. Yeah, I said that. I want you to take that into account. Let's rewind a second and let me repeat this. Mercury exposure and mercury toxicity in humans is proven already. This was published by the World Health Organization in 1976. It is the underlying cause. As many people will say now, it is the root cause. Now, funny, there's a name for that. Mercury is the root cause that when you're conceived and through your fetal development can cause issues with metabolic pathways that causes insulin resistance. Now, here's the thing. It might not be triggered immediately due to your continual environmental exposure after you're born, from breast milk, from air, from water, from food, from injections, from anything else you're exposed to. The body burden that you have increases every freaking breath, every day that you have, to eventually reaching a tipping point. This is where your symptoms will start. So your insulin resistance was actually started when you were conceived. The underlying cause is mercury. It makes all of these other environmental exposures worse. And if you start to address this first, it's a lot like cleaning your home. If you start cleaning things out consistently, eventually your house is going to look immaculate. It's not a one-time thing. It's designed to be really strategic, very controlled. You can actually control this yourself with your dosage and your timing of everything. It works, hence patents filed. Zero In allows the production of endogenous dopamine and serotonin. Dopamine and serotonin do a lot more than just make you feel good. They're important for immune function and many other pathways. If you want, you can do a little research on your own and look up, use the machines, or go to pubmed.gov and do some research into how serotonin affects immune function, how serotonin and dopamine can support non-insulin dependent diabetes or insulin resistance. Restore, I don't have any Restore. Oh, I do. Restore is a strategic combination of black cumin seed oil, resveratrol, D-ribose, apple cider vinegar, pure curcuminoids, raspberry ketones that are very, very important and supportive for your metabolism. This little guy supports your gut, reduces systemic inflammation, and does some amazing things for your health. And what makes this special is there's a patent specifically on the process that makes the nanoemulsions that make this product alone. And I think that patent was worth about $4.5 billion. That's a lot. But this little guy will support digestion, helps to clean stuff out, reduce inflammation, and is amazing. Then you've got a little natural barrier support, which is a strategic combination and the right amounts and the right quality of ingredients of vitamin C, D, and zinc. So that's going to support immune function. It's going to kill off some fungus. It's going to act as an anti-inflammatory and support the body's natural pathways of metabolism. And then you've got ReLive Greens. Now, why is ReLive Greens important? Well, here's the thing. There's actually some really good case studies and data around water fasting and water fasting and then adding prebiotic fibers. Well, guess what the first ingredient is in ReLive Greens? It's not fluff, and it's not some additive that is a filler. It's actually agave inulin, which is one of the best prebiotic components you can get. It's the foundation to make ReLive Greens. There's no additives, no fillers, no fluff. It's all good stuff. The first thing you're getting is a massive amount of prebiotic fiber, which feeds your gut. Then you get strategic, clinically efficacious amounts of some greens from proprietary phytoplankton, spirulina, chlorella, even cayenne pepper, because the cayenne actually will support your metabolism. So all of these pieces are actually helping support good blood sugar metabolism. And then you get immune defense shield. Now, immune defense shield is actually insanely important because you might have heard about NAD. Well, guess what? You don't need a needle. You don't need a bag for NAD. What you need to do is allow your body to produce it naturally. Immune defense shield is one of one in this space. It's not using NMN. You've probably heard of NMN if you've researched NAD, because the social media marketers get really excited because they're like, take NMN and it produces NAD+. Well, a bioscience engineer said, well, you don't need that pathway because there are other precursors. There are other substances that are necessary to support NAD+, one, to stabilize it so you can actually take it in a capsule. This is the only product that's actually been stabilized for 2 years that has NAD+ in it because it's highly unstable on its own. But the combination of quercetin, vitamin K, little vitamin D, and a few other components are the additional assistance for the NAD+ to be converted into NADH, which is then something that is looped in your system because your body will continually produce NAD and NADH if it's fed properly. This looping process is what continually creates the energy, because that's what NAD is. It's the power source of all the little mitochondria, which are all the little engines of every cell in your body. So you can think of it like a car battery, that if you've got the right amount of water and the right amount of acid and the right charge in your car battery, it's going to start and it's going to help keep everything running constantly. This system works the same way. You don't need to do injections, right? You don't want to do NAD injections because they're short lasting, and the size of the molecules that you get either in an IV bag or in an injection are not really supportive to the body. And if you've looked into these, you'll be told that there's a risk of, some cardiac issues that come with that. You don't want those. You don't want cardiac risk, especially when you're just trying to have more energy. You should do it naturally. There's also a big talk on social media because of some of the health marketers talking about liposomal NAD. You don't need liposomes. These companies actually aren't making liposomes. They're actually just mixing sunflower oil or sunflower lecithin and creating an emulsion, right? Mixing it up, fluffing it up, and saying it's a liposome because they make bubbles when they froth it all up. Your body doesn't need those extra inflammatory fats. And actually, omega-6s cause colon cancer. So if you're able to strategically feed the gut what it needs to convert that signaling into the NAD production pathways, then you have that done. So this is where this process for regulating insulin comes in. That's producing the power for your body to start cleaning itself up, to regulate metabolism, and start getting back on track. And then you have a product called Sculpt. Sculpt is the boss when it comes to this. Sculpt is a natural GLP agonist. It's not a peptide injection. It's not Wegovy. It's not tetratrutide, retatrutide, whatever all of these other injections and synthetic mechanisms are. What Sculpt does is it actually feeds the gut what it needs to naturally produce these GLPs. There's a lot of them, as well as regulate your blood sugar and block sugar metabolism, regulate insulin, increase your insulin growth factors. This means you're actually able to maintain or add muscle. Now, if you're using peptide injections, the synthetic stuff that's still illegal because it's not proven to be safe for humans, or you're using the pharmaceutical GLP injections, and you know the side effect profile because it's bad. You can't use these over the long term because they will destroy you. But the entire model for the entire pharmaceutical industry is to know that you're going to be on them forever because they know they're shutting off your gut's production of those GLPs. I'm pretty confident that shutting off the body's endogenous, my favorite word, natural production is not your goal. You want to turn that back on and you want to feed it. That's why Root has this patent on this process of using these products. It's already real. It's already proven over the last 6 years. It doesn't hurt people. There's no negative side effects. And it costs you less money. Winning.